Hello.
Let's practice English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Hi, friends. We're Alex and Mia, and we're happy you are here today.
If you want to speak English in real-life situations, this podcast is for you.
Today's topic is daily routine at the airport.
Yes, we will learn simple English phrases you can use at the airport.
This lesson is perfect for beginners, A1 to A2 level.
Before we start, don't forget to like, follow, or subscribe.
And share this episode with a friend who loves travel.
Take a deep breath.
Listen carefully.
Let's begin.
First step, you arrive at the airport.
You go to the check-in counter.
Here is a simple sentence. I want to check in.
Listen again.
I want to check in.
Now you say it.
Good job.
The staff may ask, "Can I see your passport?"
You can answer, yes, here it is.
Let's practice. Here is my passport.
Your turn. Great, you're improving already.
Next, you give your luggage.
You can say, I have one bag.
Or, this is my suitcase.
Listen and repeat. I have one bag.
Now you try.
Excellent.
After check-in, you go to security.
The officer may say, please put your bag here.
Or, take off your shoes.
You can answer simply, okay.
Let's practice a short dialogue. Please put your bag here.
Okay.
Now you speak both parts.
Great work.
Next step, find your gate.
You can ask, where is gate 12?
This is a very useful question.
Listen carefully. Where is gate 12?
Now you say it.
Perfect.
Someone may answer, it's over there, or go straight.
Now you wait for your flight.
You may hear an announcement, boarding is now open.
At the gate, the staff may say, may I see your boarding pass?
You can answer, here it is.
Let's practice.
Here is my boarding pass.
Your turn. Good job. You sound confident.
Now let's practice a full airport conversation.
Listen first.
Hello, I want to check in.
Can I see your passport?
Yes, here it is.
You have one bag?
Yes, one bag.
Listen again.
Now you speak with us.
Amazing! You just had a real airport conversation.
Travel English is very useful.
You don't need big sentences.
Short and clear is perfect.
Practice these phrases again and again.
Listen, speak, repeat.
You are learning step by step.
Let's review today's key phrases. I want to check in. Here is my passport. I have one bag. Where is gate 12? Here is my boarding pass.
These small sentences will help you travel with confidence.
You did a great job today.
Before we go, we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, have you ever traveled by plane? Where did you go?
And one more fun question. What's the first thing you pack in your bag?
We love reading your answers.
Keep practicing English every day.
Stay confident and keep speaking.
See you in the next episode. Bye!